Get it wrong. Let me show you how this is done.